Good morning. At least it's for me good morning. And I just was, there's my office and I don't show that. There's a bit of a mess there, so don't show that. Like 50 meters that way, and I will show you what I passed. I don't know what is happening this year, but this year we have hundreds and thousands of these dirty boys, and I don't like it that they are running up my garage door. And here is my office container. They're even in my container. That I definitely don't like. They left like this slimy stuff behind, but that's not the subject of the video. I will show you. So here we have the cantina, or the place that we sit and eat something. And I forgot what I wanted to say about it. Ah yeah, oh, some nice pictures. Some party pictures we have there. It's 5:45, so I could still come in the workshop and have some video made. So we have there a Quattro Velo building up, here an M9 bulk, we have here a GT Snook, another bulk. So this looks like an ambassador bulk. So we put all the stickers on it. And here we have some instructions. So 1 or 2 videos ago I asked you guys to get some data. Luckily we got some data from people, real-time data, and with that data we put here in this sheet without putting your name there, and that will help us to set the seat, set the pedals on the correct size, put the right shoulder polsters. This we will do first with the bulk. The reason also a couple of clients were had quite of a challenge to set up the bike, and we made some mistakes. We sent they requested a certain length of cranks, but it didn't fit with their shoes and that model. So now we try to learn from these mistakes, and also, for example, I sent a bulk to my father. That was already December somewhere, and he was very excited about it, but it took him, even with help, a pretty long time to set it perfect up. And now he calls me pretty often with like, oh, it drives so great, it's so fine. But the first, I think, a week it took him, of course not full-time working on it, like it was in the Christmas period, so go to the Christmas parties, meet with friends, work a half hour on the bulk, then the next day. But it was a struggle I saw, and we want to take this struggle out of people's hands, and want to learn from our mistakes. So see you next time. Bye bye.